Hi everyone, Charlie here with the Charlie Wills team. All right, we're on site of my home remodel. This is day one. So what they've done here so far is they've come in and set up. So it's a lot of, they've taken some of our cabinets out, which we'll show you here in a little bit, in the other room, in the mudroom. And in this room, they haven't done a lot other than bring in materials. So they brought in their materials, their tools. They made sure that all of the services were turned off in this room. So like electrical, and some of the plumbing has been turned off in this room too. So anyways, just to prepare the space, because when they're coming in here over the next few days, probably close to a week, they're actually gonna pull this whole wall is gonna go that way about 5.5 feet. So eventually this will get expanded out this way. Another cool thing is that the framing, we will not need any of the casing here. They're gonna trim it right up all the way to the ceiling, and it's gonna be nice and big. Obviously for me, I don't like doorways. I just tend to smack my head. So, and another really cool feature that we're excited about is along this back, we have this great view of the school and the park, is the windows are gonna be kind of this sliders style, like the 1950s, but there'll be one on this side and then an 8-foot piece of glass, and then another set of windows on the other side of that. So really excited to see kind of what that looks like in terms of the expanse here for the kitchen. So what we're gonna notice over the next few days is that we're gonna shoot some photos to see the progress of the remodel and kind of the framing and the setup work that will be done. And then when I get back in February, what we're gonna do is come back here and see all the progress that they've made. A lot of it will be framing, electrical work, insulation, all the necessary work they need before they get back to refinishing the property. So I have to tell you, I have had a lot of, not nerves in a bad way, like nerves like I'm ready to play a game. And for the sports reference, for those that have played sports, it's just that kind of like that nervous butterfly feel that you feel just before a big game or big event. And it's really exciting. We really enjoy the builder and his team and what they're doing. So not nervous from that standpoint, but just more of like an excited nervous to see what's gonna happen here. So we've lived here for 5 years and not exactly the path we thought we were gonna take. We thought we were gonna get in here, redo a few small things and then get right to the kitchen at first. And we didn't go and do that. We went right to other projects. And you know, they kind of happened how they happened, and it actually worked out really well, because without doing some of those other projects first, we wouldn't have had the vision to, you know, go to the mudroom and walk out the back towards the patio, and we wouldn't have the vision to open this all up and to make it more accessible to the other part of the house. So again, all things happen for a reason, but we are really excited about what that looks like to come. But let's take a look at the other room here and see what else we've got going on. All right, we're now in the mudroom, laundry room area. When this gets relaid out, what's gonna happen is that when the kitchen bumps out this way, it'll probably go, kitchen will bump out somewhere right about to here, about the edge of this frame. So this whole door will, and framing and header and everything will have to move into this location. One of the issues that we ran into when we moved it is that this is a heating and cooling duct. This is actually an air return duct right here in the wall. So we'll have to be very cognizant of what that looks like and how we're gonna move it in the future. And then this will get reframed because this is a fire rated concrete steel door. So this needs extra heading and extra framing so it doesn't wiggle and move in the space, and that's good for fire ratings. And then what we're gonna happen is, as we move into this space, right about this location, there'll be a wall built across here, and this will be a room with a closet on this end and laundry on this end, and this room can be shut off from the house. So actually it'll be its own little designated laundry area. And then where the current laundry is sitting will be our bench, so that when we come in from the door, you'll walk right in and there'll be benches along this wall over here. And then this patio door just has to get reframed with a new header because of all the new structures that are going on in this location. So anyways, just some new changes. And then the flooring is gonna be a little bit different in here too. Most of the house will have wood floors because we'll pull the existing wood floors and we'll pull that same flooring, which is a mix between a white and a red birch. It's a really pretty 1950s wood that they used in a lot of the houses in this area. And then in this location, we're gonna use a really nice ceramic tile in this location. We're actually gonna set it on an angle so it has a little bit different feel in this part of the house. So anyways, really excited for this project. and excited for you guys to join us through this vision and what's happening here. And we'll keep updating you. We're going to shoot more photos and videos as the project kind of moves along here for us. And we should be ending right about the end of March. So I look forward to doing a big reveal and walk through the property and kind of share our thoughts and feelings about how everything turned out. All right, stay tuned.